Hello Visionaries Beauties, welcome to the channel. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you came to check out this summer ready slay, then please continue to watch. This collaboration was with Ebonyline. They reached out to me and they sent me out Outre's new premium Duby wig, 100% human hair. I have this in the style VAL and in the color DRRSGD. So dark roots, rose gold. Let me go ahead and show you that stock card. It says pre-bumped. Color on the model is 1B and the other model is wearing a DR creamy gray. I know you guys are looking at this and let me just tell you right off the back, your girl customized this one. Yes, I did. Now, I love me some color, okay? Don't get me wrong. I will rock any color, but for this particular wig, I feel like it needed more dimension, so I decided to color the tapered ends and the edges of this wig. So the back, the tapered sides, I decided to customize it and dye it a darker color. These roots already came like this. To be totally honest with you, the roots are not really dyed black. What they did was put in a bunch of dark root fillers in it, in between the rose gold, to make it look like it's been colored or ombre'd. I don't have any flyaways at the top or anything like that. The cap is super comfortable. It comes with two combs, one right here at the very top and one at the very back with your standard adjustable straps. Now this cap is very big head friendly. You guys know how much I love gold, how much I love rose gold, how much I love pink. So I decided to go for this. I simply use semi-permanent color. I had to do it at least 2 times because the first time it didn't take as well and it didn't get as dark. It actually turned like a gray. And then I went back in again with a darker color, and then I got this color right here. It's like an auburn dark medium brown tapered back. As far as the hair, this hair did shed quite a bit, and I want to say it's because of the colorway. A lot of times these colorways, like these light colors, do shed a little bit, but it wasn't something that was excessive. The back, to stay down, I would apply some mousse or some kind of gel to keep it down. Right now it's dry. I did have it, I've been rocking it for like a good 2 weeks. I was supposed to get this video out a long time ago, but I was just, you know, I was feeling her, you know, work, whatever. It was an easy go. But I do think she'll probably be really, really cute in the other colorways. So don't forget to check those out. Let me go ahead and give you a 360 and a close up, and you guys can let me know, and I'll let you know what I think about this wig. So this is what this colorway is looking like. Now, I do think they did a really good job with these tapered, and here you go. See what I was saying? Here's a strand right here. So I do think they did a really, really good job with this tapered look. It's super realistic, it's cute, it's short for the summer. Now I will say, for the most part, the bangs, I love bangs, I love side swoosh bangs, but I'm a bit of a sweater, so the bangs for me made me a little bit hot. It's a little bit hot right here. See a little shininess coming through, but it made me a little bit hot. You know, maybe I can go back in later on, maybe customize it, I don't know. Make it a little shorter, I don't know. Let me go ahead and show you what the back and the sides look like that I colored. And this is the dark roots I was telling you about. Yeah, so that's pretty much the specs on this. It's really not much more. Tangling, let me think. No tangling. A little bit of shedding, but that's about it. I do think it's a great summer wig, so you can just slap on the go. It's fuss free, absolutely fuss free, and I do like it. I love the fact that it's human hair and I can color it if I want to or whatever. I want to say huge thank you to Ebonyline for sending me out this wig to review. I do think she's super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you if you purchase this wig. Let me know that too. I'll leave all information and a link to purchase down in the description box. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please, I can't stress this enough. Please continue to share these videos so I can keep coming out here and slaying for you guys and giving you the material you would like to see and reviews you would like to see. If you want to stay up to date with me, don't forget to check me out on my social media, Instagram at Annette Beauty, and my Facebook group, Visionaries of Beauty. And I hope to see you guys all over there. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye. It's not the end of the world.